Winter is coming. Winter is coming. And that means one thing, squash season. Squash season. Oh yeah. In this video, I'm going to introduce y'all to the Red Kuri squash. This little guy is a powerhouse of nutrients and flavor. As winter approaches, the different types of squash start coming up in full force. I want to introduce you to one of our favorite varieties, the Red Kuri squash. This guy is packed with nutrients and has a delicious, earthy flavor. Let's get started with squash 101. Pull up a chair. What is Red Kuri squash? Good question. Red Kuri squash is a small to medium-sized winter squash. Okay, video over. Let's go. You know I can't just finish there. It has a hard, reddish, orangey skin. Orangey, that's a word. People call it the onion squash. Who might you ask? Nobody. The internet is where I never called it that before. It usually grows about 7 inches in diameter and can weigh anywhere from 4 to 7 pounds. There are other types of winter squash like the Hubbard squash, the kabocha, or even butternut squash, which we all have in stock, by the way. Just to let you know, what does Red Kuri squash taste like? It has a sweet and nutty flavor, similar to chestnut. Did you know that curry is the Japanese word for chestnut? Oh, knowledge. You're welcome. How do you cook Red Kuri squash? Roasting is your best bet. The shell is hard, so you won't be eating that. You can slice them into wedges. When roasting, you're better off peeling the skin or scooping the flesh out of the shell after you cook it. This method is similar to other hard-shelled squashes like butternut, kabocha, Hubbard. Did we mention I have that as well? Oh, I did? Oh, okay. Oh, just a reminder. You get it. This guy gets it. You, talking to you. Is Red Kuri squash healthy? 4 ounces of squash is 35 calories, 1 gram of protein, 9 grams of carbs, and about 1 gram of fiber. And only 1 gram of fiber? I mean, that's pretty weak. That's weak sauce. You need more fiber. It also has vitamin A and beta carotene. How to store Red Kuri squash. You can store a whole Red Kuri squash for up to 9 months in a cool place away from the sun. 50 degrees is the best temperature to store Red Kuri squash. You can actually take the flesh and freeze it up to 6 months. What are some recipes with Red Kuri squash? You can substitute Red Kuri squash for practically any recipe that calls for winter squash, including butternut, acorn, kabocha. Hey, did I mention that we have? In conclusion, the Red Kuri squash is a unique winter squash that is perfect for your menu. This amazing vegetable is low in calories, high in vitamins, rich in flavor, and makes a perfect healthy choice. It could use a bit more fiber. With its sweet and nutty flavor, Red Kuri squash is a great addition to any recipe. Be sure to ask your sales or customer service representative. Be sure to ask your sales or customer service representative about adding some to your next order. Thank you so much for joining us. You can find us on any of our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and even LinkedIn. Thank you very much. And remember, Chefs was founded by chefs for chefs. We'll see you next week.